Hey guys, it's Cynthia Simons coming back with you, taking you on a journey, a ride, something so delightful, and it is great. It is great. I love fate, mate. Isn't it great that you and me are going to Spain where there is pain? Sorry, I just got a little bit carried away. You and I will reach our poetic peak. We'll be riding in Mozambique. We'll be looking at the Nile and the river and the pile of pain and dust and shame and fuss. And you and I will be writing a poem. Sorry, So that was a little taster of what you may be like after my master class. So basically, I'm an artist. A literature artist. And basically what I will be doing is taking you on a journey of my art in all of its various forms. It all comes from the brain and it all goes to my paper. I guess you can call me a Shakespeare of the times, but I guess I like to be preferred as cynthiaswords.tumblr.com. But please go and check my words out. I get reblogged like dozens of times a day by depressed 12-year-olds on Tumblr, but it's fine because I mean something to them. They mean something to me. So, right, I'm gonna be teaching you how. I just got a text. Well, I'm gonna be teaching you and shedding my knowledge about how to write poems. So I think the first step you should have is your very own pen. Now this one is a fine liner. Sorry, I get a lot of Tumblr fan mail. So a fine liner yourself is very, very worth it. You're gonna be writing, you're gonna be needing a journal. I like this one because it's marbles, like me. Now you see how I made a metaphor, a simile. That book is marbles, like me. I'm not marbles. I'm human. But the simile is where the magic happens, girlfriend. Girlfriend! Now, just one more thing, okay? In all my Tumblr famous years, I've noticed that the best, most reblogged poems are those that are extremely simple. So I was just going back through my book and I found one. It's nothing much is on the page because what you don't write, that's what you really write. So I chose to write one about pain. I'll read it out. Pain is suffering, buffering in Spain. Obviously, my fans may have enjoyed that one a little bit more than I did. So I was just personally, that poem means to sorry, I'm so Tumblr famous. Personally, that poem means to me that pain is suffering, buffering in Spain. So it's worldwide. You feel it in Spain, you feel it in Ibiza. Pain is everywhere. Okay, so we're gonna write out right now today. Cynthia Simons Masterclass. So think of a topic. Okay, I'm gonna choose love. So to write a really good poem that will get you a couple hundred reblogs, nothing too much. I genuinely get about like 4,500, but like I'm sure I I don't mean to brag, but once I got 6,000, but I don't mean to brag. So just write love at the top of your page and put a full stop next to it. That just creates a vivid emotion that you cannot replace. Okay. And then leave 5 lines between your next line. It almost seems like, I don't know, like you're thinking. So then write something that sounds like it's smart. Love is a flower. Whoa. I mean, I don't mean to brag, but that's one of my best. Love is a flower. What rhymes with flower? Shower. Write about showers. I'm a shower. Dripping away love. Cynthia Simons. Cynthia writes at tumblr.com. There we have it. Love is a flower. I'm a shower dripping away love. So I'm estimating that will give me probably a couple hundred reblogs. Not really 6,000 this time, but I still think it will give me some clout, and that clout will give me self-esteem. So I'm really happy that we shared this occasion. I gotta put my shades back on so I don't see the sunlight. Sunlight. Gun fright. Okay. Really happy to see you. Now, au revoir. I hope your day is as good as a game of golf on the par. Let's go to the bar and celebrate our lives as far. Goodbye, au revoir. See you soon, my friend. This is not the end. I hope your poems are as good. I don't know what rhymes with end. Subscribe.